Welcome to board system test 328, so let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance, we have an FCI HE8S-STW. This device will be doing code 3 in a set on fixed 15 candela. For our smoke detector, we have a system sensor 40BB. For our second notification appliance, we have a Wheelock AS241575W. This device will be doing code 3 in a set on fixed 1575 candela. Fun fact, this device actually came from a school, and when the school was getting an alarm replacement, they removed all of these horn strobes, the Wheelock AS horn strobes, and I was able to get one. We still have the system sensor CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have the Pyrotronics MS51, and on the right, we have the Cerberus Pyrotronics MS51. Both the same pull station. However, the one just says Cerberus Pyrotronics and the other one just says Pyrotronics. But basically the same pull station. We still have the system sensor RTS2 key test switch, which you will not be activating today. Connected to the test switch is a system sensor D4120 duct detector, and we will not be activating this in today's test. As far as the fire alarm control panel goes, there is a trouble on the control panel right now. It is for an AC fault. No, I did not lose power. The reason for this is I actually disconnected the AC power and I'm using DC power. The reason behind this is because the FCI horn strobe and the Wheelock AS do not do really well on FWR power, and they need DC power to operate. Well, this panel actually outputs FWR power, which is full wave rectified power, and I need DC power. Well, how am I doing this? Well, I'm just using the backup batteries. Not up to code, but you know, I don't have a control panel that is compatible with those two, so I'm just using the DC power from the batteries, which is not up to code, by the way, so please do not do this in a public building. This is just a demonstration system. Like I've said before, I only use this system for demonstration. It is not used in a public building, just for demonstration. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull the Pyrotronics pull station on the left. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the smoke detector by just spraying some smoke. Here we go. Should be enough. Should go off any second now. Sometimes this one just takes a second. There we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my Allen key. I'm going to turn it. It's very similar to resetting a Firelite BG10. Just turning your Allen key, and then eventually it opens. There's the inside. It's going to close it back into place and lock it back up. This one can be hard to reset, especially with one hand a camera and one hand an Allen key, but I think I actually got it. Alright, and it is reset. I'm now going to go in the main farm control panel and hit system reset in the control panel. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the Cerberus Pyrotronics pull station. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key, not my key, my Allen key. I'm going to turn it just like the other station. Resets exactly the same. Now we're going to open it up. When it gets to the point it can open. There we go. As you can see, it automatically comes back up. There's the inside. It's kind of hard for this one to open up all the way just because there is a second one right there. Second pull station. There's barely any room in between her. These pull stations. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this back up. There we go, nice and tight. And now I'm gonna go in the main farm control panel. I'm gonna hit this to reset.